Welcome to our series on pain with NLP. So today I am going to talk to you about another way that you can work with submodalities to address pain. So we've talked about other ways you can do trigger point release. There's lots of things you can do for pain. We're going to talk about how to use your neurology now to address that with NLP techniques. So before we started taping today, Kelsey let me know that she had just a little bit of discomfort going on in her neck, and we decided to wait to address that so we could do it on camera. So I'm going to show you how to do an NLP technique for headaches. So if you'll come on up. Thanks, Kelsey.
Yeah.
All right, so if you wouldn't mind, tell me right now where your pain is located.
I have a little bit of tension all across my occiput, but mostly on the right side.
Okay, what I want you to do now is I want you to think about that, locate it, and for anything to have shape, it has to have energy to it. It has to have motion. So if I were to think about it right now, can you imagine it as a ball of energy?
Yes.
Okay, and in which direction is this ball spinning? And if you need to use your hands to demonstrate, go ahead.
It's slowly spinning
Around?
off of its axis. Yeah.
Off of its axis?
Yes.
And how large is it?
It's about this big.
Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is I want you to take and put red arrows that point in the direction of the spin and wrap it in that red arrow. Okay?
Okay.
And now I want you to spin it faster. I want you to feel it intensify. Feel the headache build. Spin it even faster. Get it tighter. Feel the intensity increasing. Okay. Now, with your client, you hold that space for a moment, Kelsey. You don't want to take them to where they're writhing in pain, but I want her to really ramp it up. Feel it. Now, when I tell you to, I'm going to ask you to flip the arrow in the other direction and make it blue. And do that now. So put a blue arrow on it and quickly spin it the other direction. Now, as it spins in that other direction, it actually unwinds it. So you feel it getting bigger and spin it faster. Feel the edges getting softer and it expands until it's getting hard to really get the spin. But spin it and watch as it dissipates. It's like a cloud. And spin it faster until you can't hold it. It gets so large and misty. And spin it until it...
Yeah.
Okay, do you smell popcorn?
No.
All right. So now do a check-in on your occiput. And what do you notice?
It's not tight at all on the right. I maybe just feel a little bit of residual, but it could be in my mind because it is so slight.
Okay, so can you tell me where it's located?
It moved from being across the base to just in one little pinpoint.
So don't use your hands now. We're going to use words. So is it in the back of the head or the front of the head?
It's in the back.
Is it in the back of the back or the front of the back?
It's in the back of the back.
Is it in the top of the back or the bottom of the back?
The top of the back.
Is it in the top of the back or the bottom of the top of the back?
Bottom of the top of the back.
And is it to the front of the top of the back or the bottom of the top of the back of the back?
The first one.
Can you find it now?
No.
So all we did was scramble it till her body actually couldn't locate it. So, how you feel?
Great.
All right, thanks for joining us. And as you can see, we just played with words. So what you're doing is that you're grabbing those submodalities and you're scrambling those with language patterns. Pretty powerful.